Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. Today, chest and triceps, right? It's gonna be dumbbell only, bench only, dumbbell chest and try workout, right? First moves we're gonna start with are dumbbell flies, right? I got 30 pounds dumbbells right here. The biggest thing I want to focus on with this dumbbell fly is one, getting wide, but also pulling my shoulders back as I get wide. I really want to stretch out these chest fibers here. Pull away and get a good squeeze. Right, stretch them out, pull them all in, get a good squeeze. All right, I'm supersetting that with dumbbell skull crushers, right? I'll explain that as I get into it. I'm gonna do one set of each. I'm just gonna go through every exercise one time to show you what we're working on today. All right. So with the fly, get everything set. All right, make sure the shoulders back. Pull wide. All right, think about squeezing the bench as I come back. Squeeze the chest as I come forward. Right, squeeze the chest as I come back. Squeeze the chest as I come forward. Right, stretch the fibers. Right, squeeze that back. Squeeze forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now my first set. You can already feel these fibers waking up, right? Get nice and tight and full. All right, now for the skull crusher, right? The biggest mistake I see on the skull crusher is a lot of like dropping the elbow, rolling action, right? If I have a heavier weight, yes, I might drop the elbow a little bit and drive up. But I really want to try and keep the shoulder out of this movement and focus on just dropping that top head that's closest to me back towards the ears and then pushing back up, right? It's almost like I'm reverse curling it, pushing back up, right? Push back up, right? Nice and controlled. There's no need to rush any movement, right? Especially if you're a beginner. Even if you're advanced, like I would say I am, I'm not gonna rush, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so those are the first two moves, right? Normally I would do 3 to 5 sets, 12 to 15 on everything, right? And possibly a drop set at the end of, just max reps or 20 to 25 reps at a lighter weight. So next one we're gonna roll into is going to be a chest press, right? It's the same thinking, right? Squeeze it back, stretch the fibers, right? Really stretch here, and push through, right? I'm not gonna extend fully here, right? Once I get here, tricep engagement, right? I wanna keep the elbows slightly bent. Drop all the way back, boom. Drop all the way back, boom. All right, so let's see it in action. All right, chest press. Squeeze. 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 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, a good indicator that you are pushing through your chest is as you're laying down and pressing, you can see your shirt rising up, right? Because the chest fibers are stretching as I'm down here, and they're getting shorter as I come back in, right? Second movement here is going to be an overhead tricep extension, right? So let me turn this way for you. I'm going to grab a dumbbell, sort of like Jay-Z, right? Like so. Bring it overhead. Same thinking here, right? I want to drop it, right? Stretch the tricep, push tricep. I'm not going to extend, like lock out and keep it soft. Drop it, push. Drop it, push. Drop it, push. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so the thinking there is I want to keep constant tension on this tricep, right? I don't want to get it to where it's in a resting state, right? So when I lock out, it's not necessarily in a resting state, but it's not under tension like it would be when the weight's right here, right? And even at the top of the movement, I want to feel that tension still, right? I don't want to let go of the tension anywhere within my movement pattern, all right? So let's incline this beast, right? incline chest press is the next one. We're gonna superset this one with a tricep kickback. All right, so we can do it on the incline bench. Then we do it single line. All right, so we got 30s again. All right, again, I'm just using light weights today, just to demonstrate, right? More than anything. All right, it's the same thing here. All right, on my butt, all the way back. I'm gonna sit back, pull the chest up, tuck the shoulders down, and I want to feel like the weight's coming down into my chest, or stretch the fibers here, push through, squeeze. All right, it's the same thing. If I can see my shoulder rising as I press, I'm doing something right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and another tip is going to be on your setup and your finish. All right, I'll just throw the dumbbells, right? If it's super heavy, okay, yeah, you can dump them from back here. But I don't care if it's super heavy, and I'm going to dump them. I'm going to drop them to my legs first, sit up, and then let them slide this way. Right, or possibly throw them forward. Right, I don't want to injure myself dropping here and then doing this, right? Because now all the weight comes from being centered here to being stressed here. Right, if I stress this, if I injure my shoulder, it's a long road back from my shoulder injury. All right, so tricep kickbacks. All right, I'm gonna stick my butt in your face for a second. All right, we're gonna go one knee on the bench. All right, I'm gonna just lean over. All right, hike the elbow up real high, then I'm extending. Curl back, extend. Right, on this exercise, I am gonna go to that full, if not pass a little bit on that lockout. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we'll go knock out the other side. Just for the sake of being symmetrical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so on this movement, I like to use my rib cage as kind of like a guiding point for where I want my elbow to be, right? I want my elbow to be up, so when I come here, I get a full kick back here. Right? I don't want to sit low, so where I gotta pull it and push it at the same time, right? Get a little light engagement there. I want to stick it straight to the tricep, elbow back nice and tight, push and squeeze. All right, and so we don't have any plates in here, right? This is the apartment gym, right? But I like shooting stuff in here, mainly for it's almost summer, right? So, yeah, it's almost summer. We're gonna be traveling, move around a lot. Right, we may not have a home gym we go to when we go out of town, or we don't have one of those memberships where I can go to my normal gym, or whatever. Most hotel gyms will have your basics: a bench, dumbbells, cardio sub treadmill. There's a elliptical, stairmaster slash elliptical in here. So what I would normally do, hotel gym workout, is knowing, right, I'm on vacation or I'm out of town somewhere, I'm gonna fuck off on my eating. I'm probably gonna drink some. All right, being that I'm gonna do so, first thing in the morning, I'm gonna get up, get some water in me, grab a snack if I got one. If not, I'll just go fasted, straight to the gym, right? Workouts will last 20, 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes max, right? But normally it's gonna be a combination of everything, right? So I'll just do a full body workout, right? So let's just say I'm on vacation right now, haven't worked out today, or just to say it's first thing in the morning. I get straight into the gym, I got water with me, I had a snack. If I didn't have a snack, I'm just fasted. Throw my headphones in, turn my watch on high intensity, gonna hit the treadmill. This is gonna be a 30-second or a 1-minute run. Bang that out, come straight over, grab the dumbbells. Usually I'll just leave the bench flat. Bang out to the dumbbell bench press, stand up, do some bent over rows, dumbbell squats, dumbbell lunges, dumbbell hammer curls, lay down, do some tricep skull crushers, jump right back on the treadmill, right? I'll just do as many rounds of that as I can for 30 or 40 minutes, right? Because to me, while I'm on vacation, unless I'm really sticking to the plan that I'm on, I just want to make sure I get a good workout in, right? And it's always great to go in first thing in the morning, get a good, nice pump in. Because normally if you're on vacation, right, you're probably gonna be going to the beach right after breakfast, right? So get a nice good pump in, go get fed, shower, get the trunks on, boom, hit the beach, and I still look good, right? I don't look flat or anything like that. I don't have to like worry about getting a pump, or I've already got my pump for the day. And it's gonna carry for a few hours after that workout, as long as I'm feeding myself correctly. And especially once the alcohol hits, right? 'Cause I don't drink a lot. But when I do go on vacation and stuff like that, the drinks will kind of pile on, right? But the last one I'm gonna show you, it's not an exclusive chest exercise per se, right? But we can use it to hit the chest, right? It's a dumbbell pullover, right? A lot of people are gonna say, it's the back exercise. Yes, it is. If I really stretch it far enough, it'll hit the lats, right? But I'm gonna keep it in that range of motion where I can feel my chest stretching as I reach, and as soon as I feel my chest stopping to stretch, my lats start to engage, I'm gonna pull back into my chest, right? So, same thinking as far as the shoulders go, right? Shoulders back. I wanna go ahead and engage my chest here, right? So squeezing, keep the squeeze, keep the squeeze, keep the squeeze. As soon as I feel the squeeze let go, bring it back forward, right? Push it back, push it back, push it back. As soon as I feel that squeeze loose, bring it back forward. That's 2. Push it. 3. Push it. 4. Push it. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. All right, and then there's another movement I can also do, right? If I had a plate, I would grab a plate, lay back and just short push squeeze, right? It's called a Savin press, right? But I can also do it with dumbbells, right? I can take this 30-pound dumbbell and do it with that, but also have my 15s right here, which equate to 30 pounds total if I stack them together like so. I'm gonna take them, lay back, go ahead and squeeze my chest from here, and now the goal now is to push into that squeeze, right? And then maintain the squeeze both directions. Push the squeeze, control the squeeze. Push the squeeze, control the squeeze. Push it, control it, push it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so with my hands like this, it's almost like doing a close grip or dominant push-up, right? Hands nice and tight. I'm pushing through the center of my chest as I drive away from myself, right? I could easily grab another dumbbell per se, go into a decline, use one dumbbell to rack the end up. Now I have a decline bench, right? If the bench that you have does a decline. All right, don't be afraid to get creative while you're in the gym, right? But that workout's short and sweet, so I would easily prescribe 3 to 5 sets, 12 to 15 reps for everything. Take your time through it, right? There's no need to rush through it. There's only like 6 or 8 movements right there. There's no need to rush through that and be done in 20, 25 minutes, because when I rush through it, I'm not really gonna get the benefit that I want out of it, right? If I feel like I'm tired, but I'm gonna know in the back of my mind, I can do more, right? If I'm doing these 6 to 8 movements right, take my time, 12 to 15 on each set, 3 to 5 sets, really focus on that mind-muscle connection. By the time I finish, 40, 45, 50 minutes should have passed, and I should feel like I got a great workout in, right? Especially that hotel workout, because that hotel workout is a beast. One of these days when I'm on vacation, whenever that comes, I will shoot that, because it's very taxing to say the least, but it's a high calorie runner, right? The biggest thinking for me when I'm on vacation and stuff like that is, I want to go into the gym. I don't want to be in there forever, right? Unless I find like a local gym that I think is really cool and I want to go to, I might go in there and spend an hour or two, taking my time training, checking everything out, talking to people, meeting people, etc. But if I know I got a day planned ahead of me, I don't have time for something like that, get up early. I know you're on vacation, so you're like, I don't want to get up early, but be an adult, get your ass up early, go in there and knock your workout out for the day. That way, for the rest of the day, it's not tugging at the back of your mind like, damn, I didn't work out today, damn, I didn't work out today, damn, I didn't work out today, all this bullshit today, but I didn't work out today, right? So the thinking behind getting up early and getting that workout in and burning shit in the calories is, I put myself in a deficit for the day, right? So I'm not gonna say I burn 1,000 calories in that workout, but the total burn is gonna be somewhere between 350 and probably 700, give or take. And then that that early morning burn is gonna leave a lasting effect for the day, right? So it's almost like if I light my fire early in the day and I keep, feeding it throughout the day, it's gonna stay burning, right? But if I go ahead and compound my fire with a bunch of bullshit before I get to the fire starting process, right? It's gonna take me a lot longer to start that fire. Does that make sense? I hope it does. All right, anyways, feel free to share this. Please like, subscribe, etc. I plan on posting a lot more this year and going forward. I really want to build this up as a teaching tool, right? To teach anyone, everyone that's willing to learn, the basics behind workouts and movements and stuff like that, nutrition, thought processes, etc. Right? I feel like I got a plethora of knowledge that needs to be shared with you all. All right. Other than that, y'all have a great one.